Since I was old enough to think about running away, I've slept with a suitcase under my bed. And when he finally showed up for me, I ran to him with just the clothes on my back. "I'll look after you," he said. And that's how this all began.
Relax, man. Don't run, man. All right, I got her.
See the pyramids along the Nile. Watch the sunrise on a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while you belong to me. Fly the ocean in a silver plane. See the jungle when it's wet with rain. Just remember till you're home again.
Get the cuffs out.
I apologize for the trouble, but I said I'd look after her.